Hello, dear Goinkans. I hope all of you are fine. Dear kids, the title of the first chapter is Two Frogs, and it conveys us a moral message that we will be discussing at the end of the story. The story goes like this: that once upon a time, a group of frogs was traveling through the forest, and suddenly two of them fell into a deep pit. When the other frogs saw how deep the pit was, they suggested the frogs that they should not try to come out, since the pit was very deep and they cannot come out. However, the frogs did one thing: they ignored their comments and they tried to come out of the pit with all their strength. But despite of their efforts, the group of frogs at the top of the pit were continuously suggesting them that they should give up. They should not try to make it up. They should just give it up and die there. What happened? At last, one of the frogs took heed to what they were saying. He listened to what they were saying and he gave up. What happened? He fell down and died. But the other frog continued to jump as hard as he could. Once again, the crowd of frogs that were at the top of the pit, they were continuously yelling at him, stop trying, and just die. You cannot make it up. The pit is very deep. You cannot make it. Just die there. But what he did, he tried even harder, and finally made it out. He got out with his efforts, and the other frogs asked him, when he reached at the top, the other frogs asked him, "Didn't you hear us?" What the frog replied? He replied that he was only focused to jump out, and moreover, what they were saying, he thought as if they were encouraging him. He thought that they were encouraging him to come out, come out, come out. But what they were saying not to come out. But he took their comments as in a positive way. He thought that they were encouraging him. That means if they would have encouraged him, it would have been good for him. So it depends upon how the tongue is used. That means somebody's comments can help and can be encouraging and can help somehow anyone else in their life. That the moral of the story is that the tongue is very powerful, that Almighty Allah has given us. It's very powerful. It can lift somebody up and it can bring somebody down. Depending upon our behavior, how we use our tongue, whatever we say, it leaves an impact on the others. So we should always be encouraging. We should always encourage others. We should always boost up the morale of others so that our tongue can benefit others. If we speak ill of others, it's a sin, and we should think before we speak. We should think what impact will it leave on the listener, whatever we are speaking. We should ensure that nobody gets hurt by our comments and nobody gets discouraged by our comments. It's a proverb that good words cost nothing but they pay a lot, isn't it? If we say some good words to somebody, we don't have to buy them from the market, we don't have to pay for it, but they we will gain a lot. We will win somebody's heart by our words. That means we should always be very polite and our comments should be very positive and very encouraging for others. I hope, dear kids, you will follow all this, whatever I said, and whenever you speak something, you always think before speaking and make a good use of the tongue that Allah has blessed you with. Thank you very much, dear kids. Allah Hafiz.